So, hi dear Cancer, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 7th till the 13th of October. For those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side, if it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Cancer. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Cancer. Okay, fine. We have the Queen of Wands, the Chariot, and the Three of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Hermit. So in their mind space, they can't stop thinking about this situation between you and them. This person is continuously thinking about you, about this situation, about this connection, about whatever happened between you guys. Oh my God. See, they are trying their best to move on, but not able to do that. Yeah. In their heart space, I do see that this person is very impressed by the way you moved on from them, very impressed by the way you are handling yourself, your life, and your personality, very impressed by the way you are changing your outlook towards life and uh, yourself, like the change in your personality, the change in your energies. And this person is quite heartbroken that they have to move on. There's nothing left in the situation that they can do anything about, so they have no choice but to move on from the situation, and they're quite heartbroken that they have to finally move on from the situation completely after breaking your heart into pieces. Now this person is realizing your value actually, and now this person is heartbroken that this is over for good this time and they can't do anything about it to change it. Okay, but they are appreciating the way you are handling yourself and changing your energies. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, you and them, Cancer? We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Two of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Page of Swords. Their intention is to keep checking on you, keep stalking you from a distance. They want to keep themselves at a distance from you, okay, and they want to stalk you from a distance. Right now, this person wants to pretend that they're as happy in their life as you are, you know, but at the same time, this person wants to wait. It's like they do have another option or options too in their life that they're dealing with, but they're deliberately holding on to you because they want to come back around. Maybe not as a lover, maybe not in a relationship, but they want to connect with you, they stay in touch with you maybe in the coming future. So they want to pretend that they're completely okay, completely happy, like the way you are, and they want to portray themselves as happy, as abundant, as prosperous as they can from their side, and they want to wait, you know, they want to wait for the time when they will be able to connect with you in some way. Yeah. So they want to keep tabs on you from a distance and want to wait for the time when they will be able to connect with you. At the same time, want to show off to you that they are completely happy, completely okay, they are doing really well in their life. But I guess it's just a show off. Let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 13th of October. Cancer, let's see. We have the Three of Wands, the Emperor, and the Death card. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Swords. Yeah, this person's ego is hurt big time. They are moving on, one foot in, one foot out of the situation. Energetically, this person is one foot in, one foot out of the situation, and this is hurting their ego to the core that this situation is over between you guys, and there's nothing left in the situation, and this situation is never going to uh, come back together again. So accepting the truth, accepting the situation, accepting the defeat, and moving on, but putting on this mask of I don't care. This person is deeply hurt by this makeover of yours, by this change of heart of yours, by this energy of you moving on like a pro. And now this person is kind of hurt beyond words, and their ego is hurt actually. Ego is bruised actually right now, and they're pretending to be okay. They're going to pretend to be okay till they're going to be okay completely at some point of time. And they have this plan of, even if you are going to connect with them, they have this plan of saying rude words to you or behave very cold or offer details like as if you never mattered to them. It's not like that. Their ego is bruised, completely bruised and hurt, but they're appreciating your efforts of moving on from them. So they respect you. This person respect you from the core of their heart. On the surface level, they're like, I don't give a damn. They do. The guidance for you guys is manifest exactly what you want in your life, whether it's with the past person, with a fresh person, fresh energy, or it's about self love. Whatever you are trying to manifest at this present moment is going to come to fruition very, very soon. But exactly what you want is the question here. Okay. So write it down exactly what you want and stick to that. Think about it properly and then write it down and then stick to that. Don't change it every day, because if you're going to give the universe a confusion kind of energy, you're going to get the confusion kind of results only, honey. Okay. So be clear on that. So thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.